Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. In any case, it has to be held that the document transferring title in an immovable property worth more than 100 rupees, even if it was by way of relinquishment, the same required registration. Stop. Thus, the learned trial court was right in holding that no title passed on to the plaintiff under Exhibit P6, that is, family settlement entered into between the parties. Stop. This view of mine finds support from the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Harichand versus Dharampal Singh, wherein the Honorable Supreme Court has been pleased to lay down the family settlement could only be if one has lawful right over the property, and then alone family settlement could be executed. Stop. When there is no lawful rights of the parties over the property, there was no occasion to file the suit on the basis of family settlement. Stop. In view of what has been stated and discussed above, this appeal is allowed, and the judgment and decree passed by the learned lower appellate court is set aside, and that of the learned trial court is restored, but with no order as to costs. Para. As against this, the first appellate court thoroughly examined the pleadings and the evidence, oral as well as documentary, placed on record by the concerned parties. Stop. In the first place, it examined the question whether the document Exhibit P6 was executed by the parties or not. Stop. After adverting to the relevant evidence, the first appellate court opined that the trial court was right in concluding that Exhibit P6 was executed by the parties referred to therein. Stop. That being concurrent finding of fact needs no further scrutiny. Stop. The High Court has not reversed this finding of fact, as is noticed from the extracts of its judgment reproduced above. Stop. The first appellate court then went on to examine whether the document required registration. Stop. The High Court has reproduced paragraph 16 of the judgment of the first appellate court in its entirety. Stop. What is relevant to notice is that the first appellate court adverted to the pleadings and oral and documentary evidence produced by the respective parties and found that the plaintiff had proved the compromise exhibit CX dated 15/5/1992 between the plaintiff and defendant numbers 2 and 3, namely Sohan Singh and Harjinder Kaur. Stop. Harjinder Kaur had stepped into witness box and admitted the said fact. Stop. She also admitted the fact of execution of a family settlement. Over.